Welcome everyone in the class of Ethics in Research and Publication. In this class, we will discuss about the research metrics and database, that is Unit 3, and today's topic is Introduction to Research Databases. In this lecture, we will discuss about the research databases, benefits of research databases, and major research databases, for example PubMed, Scopus, Web of Science, Henry, IEEE Xplore, JSTOR, and many more. So a research database is a structured collection of data or information that is specifically designed to support the research activities and facilitate the retrieval of relevant research materials. These databases are typically electronics and can cover a wide range of subjects including academic discipline as well as scientific fields. So the research database can provide access to various types of resources such as the academic journals. Many research databases contain a vast collection of scientific articles published in academic journals. These articles often undergo a peer-reviewed process to ensure their quality and reliability. The conference papers. The database often include the papers that can be presented at national and international conferences that can be a valuable source of cutting-edge research in various fields. The next one is the book and e-books. Some research databases provide access to books, e-books, and other literary work that are relevant to the researchers. The report and thesis. The research database may include the report from the organizations, government agencies, and institute, as well as thesis and dissertation produced by the researcher and graduate students. The patent database. For the research in technology and innovation, the patent database are essential resource for finding the information on patent, the patent application, and related technical document. So Google have dedicated a search engine for the patent. The data sets. The data sets offer access to the several kind of data for the research, analysis, and statistical purpose. Some are reference material. Some research database include encyclopedia, dictionaries, and other reference material to help the researcher gain background knowledge on a topic. The multimedia content. The multimedia content, depending on the database, you might find the multimedia resource like image, video, and audio recordings. The citation and bibliographic information. Many databases provide citation information that researchers can use to properly cite their source in their own work. The search and retrieval tool. This research database provide search and retrieval tool to help user efficiently find relevant information. This tool often include search engine, filters, and advanced search capabilities. These are some common example of research database that include PubMed for the medical research, IEEE Xplore for the electrical and electronic engineering, JSTOR for the humanities and social science, and Scopus for the multidisciplinary research. These databases are typically accessible through the academic institution, library, or subscription-based services, and they play a crucial role in the advancing the research by providing easy access to a vast variety of scholarly and professional materials. Now, we should understand the benefit of research database. The research databases offer several kinds of benefits to the researcher, scholars, students, and professionals across the various fields and disciplines. Some of the key advantages of using this research databases that include to the access to the quality information. The research database provide access to a wide range of high quality peer-reviewed and reputed sources that include the academic journal, conference paper, and scholarly books. This ensures that researchers have access to reliable and credible information for their work. Efficient searching. The database often include advanced search tool and filter that allow user to narrow down their searches quickly and efficiently. That can serve researcher a significant amount of time when looking for the specific information. The comprehensive coverage. Many research databases cover a broad spectrum of discipline and subject area, making it easier for the researcher to find the information across different disciplines. This interdisciplinary approach is especially beneficial for the multidisciplinary research projects. The current and up-to-date content. Databases are regularly updated with new research publications, ensuring that researchers have access to the latest finding and development in their respective fields. The full text access. Databases often provide full text access to the research article. That means researcher can read and download the complete paper rather than just abstract. This is a particularly valuable for in-depth analysis. Citation information. Some databases typically include citation information for each source, making it easier for the researcher to properly cite their references in their own work and maintain academic integrity. The structured data and metadata. The research database often organize and categorize the information using structured data and metadata, making it easier to navigate and locate the relevant materials. The remote access. Many research databases are accessible online, allowing the researcher to access the information from anywhere with an internet connection. This is especially convenient for those working in remote or distributed settings. The custom alerts. Researcher can set up the custom alert to receive the notification when new article or content matching their specific area of interest are added to the database. That help them to stay tuned without actively searching. Support for literature review. The database are valuable tool for the conducting literature review, as they enable the researcher to comprehensively survey existing research on a particular topic, identify the gaps, and build upon their prior work. Now, we will discuss about the major research databases. So these databases serve as a valuable tool for researchers across various disciplines, providing access to a wealth of scientific information to support the academic and professional endeavors. Keep in mind that the availability and subscription requirement for this database may vary depending on your institution and location. PubMed is an example of research database. It is a comprehensive database for the biomedical and life science research, including articles from journals, conference proceedings, and many more that belongs from the bioscience. The next database is Scopus. Scopus is a multidisciplinary abstract and citation database covering scientific, technical, medical, and social science literature. The Web of Science. The Web of Science is a multidisciplinary citation database that includes a wide range of scholarly journal and conference proceedings. IEEE Xplore Digital Library. It is focused on electrical engineering, electronics, and computer science. This database includes journal, conference proceedings, and standards. The JSTOR. It is a digital library that provides access to academic journals, books, and primary source material primarily in the humanities and social sciences. ProQuest. It offers access to a diverse range of content that include dissertation, newspaper, magazine, and scholarly journal spanning multiple disciplines. Science Direct. Science Direct is an extensive collection of scientific and technical research articles across various disciplines, particularly in the field of science and engineering. The Google Scholar. The Google Scholar is a freely accessible search engine that indexes scholarly articles, theses, books, conference papers across all academic fields. IEEE. IEEE is the Education Resource Information Center. It focuses on education-related research, including journals, report, conference paper, and other resources. The next example is American Psychological Association PsyInfo. It is produced by the American Psychological Association, APA, and this database specializes in psychology and related behavior and social sciences. Medline. Medline is a component of PubMed, and it is a database of articles in the field of medicine and healthcare with a focus on clinical and biomedical research. EBSCOhost. It is a platform that provides access to a wide range of databases that include academic, search premier, business source premier, and many more that cover various academic disciplines. Archive. It is a preprint repository where researchers can share their paper in various fields of science and mathematics before formal peer review process. Next one is SINHAL, that stands for the Cumulative Index to Nursing and Allied Health Literature. It is specialized in nursing and allied health research that include journal, books, and dissertations. MathSCI-Net. It focuses on mathematical research and provides the review, abstract, and citation for articles, books, and conference proceedings. ProQuest, Dissertation and Thesis Global. It contains a vast collection of dissertation and theses from universities worldwide, covering a wide range of discipline. It can also similar as a Sodh Ganga. Next one is Chemical Abstract Service, CAS. It specializes in the chemical research and provide comprehensive coverage of chemical literature, patent, and many more. DOAJ, Directory of Open Access Journals. DOAJ is a collection of journal sources that user can access for free. Since it launched in 2003, this database expanded to feature more than 16,000 sources. DOAJ is a multidisciplinary database that contains journal and other sources for fields such as technology, medicine, social science, art, humanities, and all areas of sciences. The next database is the well-filled academic search engine. It is also regarded as BASE. BASE is a search engine that provides access to millions of documents and research. The BASE manages the operation of this source. BASE accepts research from many disciplines, making it an excellent resource for all the professionals. Users have access to the full text of most documents for free and can download other research papers for a free. The next database is Public Library of Science, also called as PLOS. PLOS is a non-profit publisher of research journal. This is an open source database that provides access to research in science and medicine for professionals and students. The inclusivity of PLOS encourages collaboration between scientists and researchers and make scientific funding available online quickly. The next database is Paperity. Paperity is an open source multidisciplinary resource that offers access to the full text of more than 1 million academic research papers. This means they publish research in medicine, science, art, humanities, social science, and mathematics, and make these documents free to view for a variety of professional and academic scholars. This is a resource available online, and they also have an app to view the research. EconBase. EconBase is a virtual library for those studying economics and business. The German National Library of Economics, Leibniz Information Center for Economics, created this source in 2002. It is free to use and offer many helpful tools beside the research journal, including a calendar of the economics and business conferences, a guide to learn how to search for the document and filter so that you can search easily and quickly. The next one is the Biomed Central. The BMC is one of the largest databases with free access to the research. They specialize data regarding biology, medicine, but include the research from other disciplines also. That includes mathematics, engineering, and physical sciences. One of the most popular resources on this database is BMC Public Health, which is an academic journal covering various diseases and illness. Dryad. Dryad is an international database that offers free access to research in the field of medicine and science. They are a non-profit organization with a commitment to education and making it more accessible. Many universities partner with the Dryad and share the resource with their students. The next research database is CORE. CORE is a database that contains global sources. It includes journals, articles, essays, and other type of sources, including raw data for various topics. The core require a membership to use but may be free for the professional and student who have access through their workplace or college. A core membership allows users to both access the sources and share their own peer-reviewed work. The next database is ProQuest AB Inform Collection. The ABI Inform Collection database is useful tool for finding information on companies and business conditions. This database offers articles and experts for the topics such as economic conditions, protect information, and management technique. The ABI Inform Collection offers global sources, but user need membership or college identification credential to use it. The next database is Communication and Mass Media Complete, that is a database maintained by the EBSCO host. The Communication and Mass Media Complete is a free database for the academics. It focuses on providing literature for topics such as communication, media study, linguistic, disclosure, and many more. User can find full text article and abstract from reputed journal and magazine when using the Communication and Mass Media Complete. The next database is EBSCO host Business Source Complete. The Business Source Complete features full text article from the journals and magazines. This database is a useful tool for the business professional and student as it features source for the topic such as economics, finance, business management, marketing, and business law. The Business Source Complete is usually free for the student, as many colleges and schools pay for the membership to provide open access to their students. The next database is Academic Search Complete. It is also hosted by the EBSCO host. So the Academic Search Complete is a database that stores information for multiple different disciplines. It allows users to search for the peer-reviewed and scholarly source based on the topic, keyword, or even authors. User can add additional filter to their search, including publication year, to find the magazines, books, journals, and newspapers. To gain access to this database, you can use your school's login information. The next one is the HINRI. HINRI is the Health Inter-Network Access to Research Initiative Program established by the WHO. Together with the major publisher, enable its developing country to gain access to one of the world's largest collection of biomedical and health literature. More than 8,000 journals and 7,000 e-books in different languages are available to health institutions in more than 100 countries, area and territories, benefiting many thousands of the health workers and researchers, and in turn it contributes to improving the world health. The next database is Agricola. It focuses on agriculture and related fields, indexing journals, reports, and other resources in agricultural science. The next database is GeoRef. GeoRef specializes in geosciences and earth sciences, including journal, books, map, and conference proceeding. SSRN. It is Social Science Research Network. It focuses on the social science and provide a platform for researchers to share working paper and preprint. The next one is JSTOR. JSTOR is a free database that provides access to the research in art and humanities. With this database, you can download the full text of many articles and research journals. Since it is in debut in 2009, JSTOR now help scholars assess data in biomedicine, business, and economics. Here I have listed the Web of Science indexes. You can see here that the Web of Science has several types of indexing services like Science Citation Index Expanded. It has more than 9,000 of the journals. The Social Science Citation Index, it also has more than 3,000 journals. Arts and Humanities Citation Index, it has 1,800 journals. The ESCI, that is Emerging Source Citation Index, that included more than 7,000 journals in the indexing. The Conference Proceeding Citation Index has included more than 2 lakh conference proceedings. The Book Citation Index consists more than 1 lakh books collection. Here you can see that Web of Science Group indexed more than 34,000 journals. The Scopus also have more than 43,000 journals, and PubMed also indexed more than 30,000 journals. So you will be surprised that there are 2.5 million journals having the ISSN number in the whole world. But the journal that is included in Journal Citation Report is only 21,000 journals. Only 12,000 journals having impact factor. Let me explain the stats of our India. Approximately there are 2.52 million journals are publishing in the world. 570 Indian journals are indexed in Scopus. Approximately 21,000 journals are publishing in India, and among them only 107 Indian journals are indexed in Web of Science. So I hope that you have learned about the research database, the benefit of research database, and you have get an exposure of several kind of research database. So I am thanking you all for careful listening to my lecture. If you have any query, any doubt, you can reach to me via the given credentials. I have written here my mobile number as well as email ID is provided. So if you have any query, do not hesitate to contact to me. I will love to answer your query. Thank you once again.